Your credit score plays a big role in qualifying for a mortgage and will help determine how much money you can borrow and what interest rate you'll pay. Higher scores usually get the best terms and lowest interest rates. Borrowers with lower credit scores will find mortgage approval more elusive and the loans they qualify for more expensive.
The good news is, low credit scores improve over time with good credit practices. If you're looking to buy a home, you should begin improving your credit score at least several months before you expect to start shopping for a mortgage. Here are some ways to help improve your credit score.
Number 1. Pay your bills on time. On-time payment history is one of the biggest factors used to calculate your credit score. Missing even one payment can hurt your score, so it's really important to make sure to pay your bills on time.
Number 2, use less of your available credit. If you have a revolving credit line, keep your balance well below the credit limit. If you constantly max out and pay off your credit card's $1,000 limit, it will reduce your credit score. A good rule of thumb is to use no more than 30% of your available credit.
Number 3, avoid applying for new accounts. Now is not the time to open a new credit card or borrow money. The more credit inquiries you have, especially within a short period of time, the more lenders will perceive you as a credit risk. So unless you absolutely need it, hold off on applying for new credit cards, car loans, or other forms of credit.
Number 4, clean up your credit report. Before applying for a mortgage, review your credit reports from the major reporting bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You can get a free copy of your report from all 3 bureaus online at annualcreditreport.com. Look for errors such as any payments mistakenly reported as late, wrong account numbers, accounts that aren't yours, and inaccurate credit limits or loan balances. If you find errors, contact the credit bureaus directly. Most have a dedicated dispute center available online. The bureau will review your request and respond with a decision in a month or so. You can also try contacting the creditor that reported the erroneous items and ask them to remove it.
Number 5. Get credit for paying all your bills. If you've been paying bills that don't appear on your credit report, consider using a service that can add them for you. For example, Experian Boost lets you add your utility and telecom payment history to that company's credit reports. And rent reporting services will verify to bureaus that you pay your rent. If you've been paying these bills on time, your credit score can get an instant boost from the additional info. Just remember, no service or company can guarantee a higher credit score or remove accurate information from your credit report. Credit repair offers that require an upfront fee are most likely scams, so avoid them.
We hope this video helps you better understand how you can improve your credit score and get you one step closer to buying a home. Good luck, and thanks for watching.